Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our morning note. Happy Monday, March 16th, 2020. It is 9 in the morning. Keep it locked here on our YouTube channel. Appreciate you joining us this morning. Make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. More great things to come. I just posted the IG live we did yesterday. I forgot to save it, so I had to do a screen recording of it. So that's the best I could do, guys. Hope everyone's having a good day. All right, so Dow futures, all futures are down limit, meaning they can't go down any further. It's been halted now since yesterday. 1,041 points, about 5% across the board, almost. Crude futures are down 8%, Bitcoin futures down 12%, gold is down 4%, not exactly a safe haven anymore, since everyone's liquidating. Silver is down 16%. That's where we are. We are going to open right around 2,400 on the S&P, and then we will be halted for 15 minutes, just a heads up. SPY ETF is not halted. It will be halted at 9:30. So if you have any positions open, we will be halted at 9:30 in the morning for 15 minutes. And then at 9:45, we will open back up. I was looking online for the actual levels that will be the circuit breakers. Let me see if I can get that for you guys. So this is the next circuit breaker. Again, this would be really bad if I can get it here. Circuit breakers. I think I tweeted it. Okay. So 2521 break below that, we're at a circuit breaker number one. We're going to be below that. We're going to be at 2400 based on the SPY, which is the ETF. The next level down is 2358. If we break 2358, I think trading halts for another hour. And then we're just waiting around. 20% down, which is the next circuit breaker, which would be 2168. Remember, our level is 2300, which is the level we're going to buy stocks at. So, I mean, it could get worse. 13% circuit breaker is pretty unlikely. I'd have to give it about a 30% chance it'll happen instead of a higher number than that. And I'm being pretty negative on that. So I say 30% chance we hit circuit breaker 2. Circuit breaker 3, which is 20%. I mean a 20% downfall for the day. All trading is closed. If we hit that, it's basically Armageddon, in my opinion. That'd be the worst fall since '87, and we'd hit 2168 on the S&P. No more trading for the day. I think that's probably less than 1% chance. I'm giving it a very low, very, very low way that'll happen. But again, circuit breaker 2, 30% chance in my opinion. Circuit breaker 1 is 100% chance it's happening. So just prepare. So if you have any puts in the system over the weekend or any kind of short positions, you can't close until 9:45. So just a heads up. Yeah, so puts, there you go. Welcome everybody. So what are we looking at? I mean, pick your poison. The airlines we'll be looking at, DAL. We're going to be looking at American Airlines. Cruises I would stay away because they may be halted. So IWM, Qs, SPY, AMD. Right now, guys, just throw charts out the window because there is no support for the most part. And it's going to be just ugly. Just everyone's liquidating. Everyone's selling. It's just a panic sell. You can't hear us. You can't hear me. Let's see. Can't hear me, huh? You should be able to. Yeah, I have the mic on. My audio mixer's on. Can you hear me? Let me make sure if you guys can hear me or not. My audio mixer says that you can hear me. So I'm just going to confirm. Should we get out right at 9:45 or hold on to the market? What is your opinion? 9:45, if you can get out of it, get out of it. Absolutely. We can. Okay, you can hear. Okay, yeah, I would say Dalton just get out at 9:45 and you should be fine. Again, just get out of it, take your profit and move on. That's kind of the best thing here. It's really a day trader's market. I hear you, but I can't see you though. You should be able to because I have the live here. It shows that you can see me. Am I all messed up here? Because I've been up since 3 a.m. So you are okay. I can hear you clear. Okay, no problem. Just want to make sure. Yeah, so at the end of the day, guys, if you see profits 40%, 50%, just take it, guys. Don't get cute. Don't try to hold things for too long. I wouldn't be surprised if we tank today, we'll bounce tomorrow. You're gonna be getting a lot of short covering tomorrow, so just prepare for that. You're gonna get a big fall today, and then we may bounce tomorrow, if not Wednesday. So again, that's short covering. That doesn't mean that we're bouncing back, that everything's great. It's just short covering. All the shorts are getting out of their positions. So just keep that in mind, guys. It really is day to day. So, I mean, just focus on today. Let's not focus on tomorrow. See what we could profit today by going in some puts and then getting out same day. That'd be the best bet. So just keep in mind halting at 9:30 first thing, and then 15-minute halt. Be a pause in trading, and then we get to 9:45, and then if we touch 23.58, we'll be halted again. I think circuit breaker. Let me make sure. I'll give you the exact time. I'm in my phone here. S&P circuit breaker. I'm trying to find exactly how long it is. Okay, another 15 minutes. So it'll be another 15 minutes for level 2, and then level 3 happens, it's done. Just prepare yourselves, guys. I think there's chatter that they'll close the market, not today, but soon, maybe like a trading holiday. If that happens, there's no need to fear. Obviously, I mean, you just can't do anything. If that happens, we'll do something where we can do some education, some live stuff, maybe some kind of like a town hall session where you guys can ask me questions and we can kind of prepare everybody for the market if we get halted. So I'll do something for you guys where we have some kind of Q&A session, talk economics of why things are happening, and more of a deep dive. So again, it gives us some time. Everything's good on my end. The German index fell 10. That's the DAX. Do you think this could happen to S&P? We are down 10% on the S&P ETF. We're just halted. We are going to get a 10% fall. And then it'll be halted, and then we'll see from there. Since they have, I mean, yeah. Will the market be halted today? It will be halted at the open for 15 minutes. If we get the second circuit breaker, it'll be halted again for 15 minutes. If we get the third circuit breaker, which is scorched earth, it's done for the day. So just a heads up. What are your favorites? SK. What's your favorite SK? I don't know what SK is. What's my favorite stock? I have no idea. I don't know what you're talking about. But okay, guys, we're gonna kind of end it here because I gotta get my guys ready for the day. So we'll leave it at that. Have a great rest of your morning. If anything comes up, we'll keep you up to date on Instagram, as always. But right now, guys, just focus on today. If you're trading options, focus on the big names, the tech guys. Apple, AMD, Micron, Nvidia, QQQ, which is the ETF for NASDAQ, IWM, and SPY. I would focus on those names. They're a lot easier to trade. They're a lot more liquid. They have tighter spreads. It's the way to go, guys. So we'll leave it at that. Have a great rest of your morning, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for the morning note. Have a good one, guys.